Hey guys, it's Manny Productions here, and I've been asked a few times how I sort my Lego. Well, sorting is a pretty time-consuming yet satisfying activity. But today guys, I'm going to be teaching you how to sort your Lego and how to sort your Lego efficiently. Now to start us off, we have this bin full of my common parts, and my common parts are thicker bricks, and this may include stuff like 2x4s, 2x2s, smaller plates, 1x4s, and their earthy colors. Also, don't forget to have bins for your big base plates and little base plates, because they come in handy. Bigger pieces like these boat pieces right here, I usually just put them in a little pile together in between my organizers. I also store my pick-a-brick cups up here. They're useful for little studs and pieces that you want to get to fast. This may include like little water pieces that I have right here. I also have my little sorter right here. It's really useful and a little bit scary. Now the smaller pieces is a mix of common use pieces and pieces I don't have a lot of, but I use a lot. I have 3 different types of sorters in this category, and one is big, one is small, and one is medium. The biggest sorters have things that I have a lot of and need space for them. These are common use pieces that I use personally. This is all up to you. So if you have a piece that you use a lot, I would put these in the bigger sorters. I don't like Technic that much, but I usually separate the brick Technics from the other Technics because it just makes it look better. I also use the brick Technics more than I use any other Technics, but I also have a little bin for Technics I don't really use, like this. Like, who's going to use a helicopter blade? These little drawers are used for doors, handles, little windows, little chests and boxes, and they need a space, and I think these little sorters work really well for them. I also have wheels and greens and windows. These little sorters are used for bricks that I have a lot of and they need a little space, like these 1x4s or the 1x3s. I also have little slope pieces, like these 2x4s right here, and modified bricks, like these 1x2s. Now, these are pieces that are totally up to you. If you have a good amount of them and you want some space for them and you're going to use them, you should definitely use these sorters. I'll link them down in the description. You can get these sorters anywhere from like Home Depot, Amazon, Lowe's, you name it. Also, make sure to use pieces that you know you are going to use. For instance, these Technic pins, I know I'm going to use them and they grow quickly. I would put pieces that you use a lot, like these studs. I also have my helmets and little minifig accessories like these weapons. I also have little minifig accessories that they can hold on to. In these smaller drawers, you should put little sticks, little gadgets, little handles, flags, little Technic accessories, and little things like these little chairs. You may not use them as much, but it's always nice to have them right there for you. For minifigures, you should have one bin for their heads, another bin for their torsos, and another bin for their legs. I don't focus much on my minifigures, but it's all up to you. You can do whatever you want with them. I usually keep my brick separators in a little bin like this one. This was actually a lunchbox I got a long time ago. If you're wondering where I got my shelf, well, I got it at Home Depot. I'll link it down in the description, and it's a really good working shelf. Thank you so much for watching, guys. There will be a video very soon about Disney Springs. What? I'm going to Disney? No way. Anyways, I've been trying to get into the YouTube rhythm some more, and there'll be much more videos coming from me. Anyways, guys, why don't you give the subscription button a big smash and ring that bell. I'll catch you in the next video. See ya.